Solar panel installation process. Welcome to our guide on the solar panel installation process. Let's get started. Step 1. Assess the roof structure to ensure it can support solar panels safely. Step 2. Work with homeowners to finalize the installation plan and discuss expectations. Step 3. Prepare solar panel materials and equipment, ensuring all tools are ready. Step 4. Carefully lift and mount solar panels onto the roof, securing them in place. Step 5. Connect the solar panels to the inverter and wiring system for electricity flow. Step 6. Seal all connections to prevent leaks and ensure longevity of the installation. Step 7. Verify that the solar panels are functioning properly and generating energy. Step 8. Review the installation with the client, explaining how to monitor energy output. Step 9. Enjoy the benefits of clean energy and the savings on your electricity bills.